The salute una for outside this afternoon, country people them. For some of it wrong to read them for this afternoon. We go take una enter for inside the judicial police station. Now for Douala here, where they show some boy them where they come out Yawende, they can't thief motor right for inside Douala. They present them today for inside the judicial police station for Bonanjo. Toritu for this afternoon, we go turn back on top this chapter for thief. Operation Konsamba Clean wey e don already start phase 1. The first result na say 60 people they don enter for gendarme commander wey they call am say freaks in hand, and plenty cargo them wey they don thief am all the time. We go bring am for na inside tori. Na so too we go take una enter for side for Funange na quarter for Marua, where we dey hear say some Okada man or some person wey dey waka for roads, human being, civilian, 26 years old, he dey for on top hospital bed after wey Okada he knacky for on top of food. Tori too we go take una enter for Ekok na for border between Cameroon and Nigeria, where the custom or with the talk gendarme people them where they don't catch some bombs them where they be the one enter inside Cameroon, where they be there for inside some motor as we tori enter we here we go see if you feel reach for side for Corona. We go tell on the latest update we'll get from John Hopkins and the guidance post plus Eden newspaper, the two newspapers they will get inside Tori house. Even a case for person wey don lost a day for inside Tori this afternoon. Big people them talk. It tell we say time the thing where your conscience is sabi about you. It dey important pass way people them they go talk concerning you. As a thing where your conscience it talk for you, it dey important pass way other people them they go talk am for you. Big part talk it come out na from Biame. For that side, so for Northwest region, Shea Patrick Shin, now he send out for we. We return back some more time with plenty to read them. We the salute now for outside the country people them. We glad say we don't meet up again for another time inside Tori House for this side. For Equinox TV, now for Douala Uday. Country people, inside Tori Seseb, we go start with one way consign thief again. Thief inside Douala. And Sabiseb say other way come out from up. He meet up the big man for anti-gang. Now he make them, they make investigate. They catch these two people, them now drive for Yawende. Me, I already talk everything. According to what we hear from police, they been an inter-urban thief people them. They come out for Yawende. They come now drive for Douala, for thief, and how they manage thief according to way big man for anti-gang Henry Sama he talk for we. He said the two men them where they can show him for we, so he been a people there they come for Douala. One he pretend say the work now for some big office from governor, he come for Douala for can do some work now, so to they take some person for hire they so they turn for inside town the whole day. As we place one start dark, they carry this man when I get motor, they start go towards that side, so for Yasa as well they go for side where bush ide, they catch this man wey get motor, na kansote they throw it for outside. On top that one they carry motor run go out for Yawende. After we a big man for anti-gang he follow up on top the matter. Now so to last investigate, he catch the two people them drive for Yawende, they send them back for inside Douala. As so talk inter-urban people them with the thief as we Tori enter for we ear. So now them to that where they show we this afternoon for inside judicial police station for that side, so for Douala, for Bonanjo, inside Binet capital for we country. Now the motor this just now, if we enter for side day, the motor way they so they tip am. Sabi say now for Sika that motor seseb where they catch these two people them. One motor where they tip am, after where they come for this side for come pretend say it they so they be tip people them as we Tori enter we hear, so they thief one motor, and even that motor according to Tori we enter for inside we hear. Now the motor where they thief, another motor he carry them with see the motor wey he carry these people them for carry them he carry them sef he put am for inside the trouble. Na the motor that as soon as they see am country people that motor wey dey thief am inside Douala here, then they carry am go for here when they be already even comot the number plate for the motor for bag, even as with some small one e be so dey so na that motor that wey dey knack person wey dey be hire ye, they claim say they be na big people them wey they don can do some work for Douala, so they behave like big people them hire this man, then last they instead governor for go knack this man for side for yasa, so they carry a motor go with and so now the motor that they bring am back to for Douala plus the two thief people them. So command anti-gang big man Henry Sama under instruction from big man for inside regional delegation for national security and the big man for judicial police station. Now them say they follow up this investigation, so they last they pick this motor plus that two people them where they be already catch them for Yawinde, then send them back for inside Douala here. So for inside uniform people them office, we take on a turn back for inside company gendarme office for Mungo North, where the young boy wanna the see when a commander freaks. A blood is also the hot for his skin. Even population for Konsamba they say yes. Now the better thing that will be one CM. Oga SDO for Mongo if better Nzana. He says he be take eye for can see where the gendarme commander for company office. He don't meet up and country people them. Then I say waiting Operation Konsamba Clean Campaign Phase 1 na way they happen just now, and the first result where Commander Freaks e be the show am for the SDO for that side. So for Mongo division if Bertrand Zana as soon as Sabi all the population and even SDO come out, they be don't they get plenty complaints say population for Konsamba no dey sleep. They say na some of them this where they make that population from Konsamba they no dey sleep at all. Now for Sika wider country people them we under that Operation Konsamba Clean, they put hand for these 6 boy them when they don't they cause confusion according to way Commander Freaks for that side for company office for gendarme. He talk for we so now investigate and plenty collaborate with population say from Konsamba where they cry for over insecurity. They talk with the gendarme people them before last they put hand for these 6 festive people them. Bet Sabi Operation Clean Konsamba e never so finish na so continue where they continue. So na just the first result them this where they show am for we as we wanna see am self for inside that video. Now the thing that this way they thief am, you go count these boys them 6 they be thief 5 Okada them. Now the 5 Okada them that it shows you now from Okada people there they don't buy for that one, they take am for them. And on top the same chapter all the cargo the way they see am bag rice, fan, even tele or woofer, gas bottle, all thing wey una dey see am so all that thing them so television na the thing them that way they catch am. And even that one una dey see am for middle place whether they dey use that one sef do na wetin no man e never fit for talk, but the cargo the one na dey see am so e dey show say the men dem dey be dey complete. And if you wan look am so wey dey be don already start for sense or one dem for back na the thing them that wey the commander Freaks and the boy them after serious investigate the cash. And on top the chapter plenty they don't ask wetin the people they do even with the blanket. They go thief blanket then they get fake receipt. This one they not cover them where they say they use them for do coffee for that side machine them for coffee where they thief them also. So all the thing they so now these 6 boy them where they take them. And the commander for that side so for Mongo North inside gendarme office he don't not comfortable. He said this Operation Konsamba Clean Campaign Phase 1 they go so continue e never finish as well. They sabi say the insecurity e don dey plenty, but for now for say population e be join hand over for say wetin make them set the see as well they go catch the boy them. E don glad with population and e dey hope say the same population they go continue. But when person go thief even that kind of small thing, that one na dey see am so if you go thief am then it means say something e dey wrong. Yes, that particular one put the answer and say that Okada them boy they be there they be ask and say but now wetin the people that the thief even that one do wey they be man pikin. When they be man pikin they use that kind of one to do it till people that no get no nothing for thief again. country people. So the people dem say they ask am plenty question. So now they cargo them that wey the thief people dem say they thief am for inside Konsamba operation clean Konsamba wey e don start, and the people dem say they dey so continue for wait for see as wetin dey happen for place wey they call am say Funange na for inside Marwa. Country people dem accident e happen. Some 26-year-old man e broke e foot wey na Okada e jam me for that side, so for inside place wey they call am say Funange. Country people dem, and one time the man e bone e broke, and na army rescue people dem come for can help this man for carry go for hospital for that side, so for Marwa na for Funange quarter wey this one e happen. For place where they call am say Canadi na some other quarter that for inside the Garwa. Country people dem na fire wey e don enter for who side for some private house for that side, so for Canadi quarter for inside Garwa. As we tori enter for we ear wetin wey e provoke this fire wey e burn this house na the big question that, but sabi sef say plenty thing dey burn inside the house. Army rescue people dem too for Garwa dey be answer present for see as wey dey go lost this fire before e burn even enter for other side dem, but sabi before army rescue wan come wetin the way they be dey inside the house majority be don already burn. As we tori enter for inside we ear on top this chapter for fire inside Canadi quarter for Garwa. And sabi sef say these people dem for side wey they call am say wetin inside Matuke Koto up and Koto Sesep for side for Mongo division dem don cry plenty. Of recent Oga D.O. from Banga wey dey call Oga Christian e be waka go for Matuke side, e be go to for Koto, and the people dem cry water, better road and even light na some of the problem dem that way they get. On top the same thing they dey talk say plenty of their chiefs dem wey dey talk wey normal they get for look at them, they dey ever stay them na out of village. So that one e dey worry even the people dem wey dey sit down from Matuke Koto up and even Koto for that side, so for inside Mongo division. So waka for divisional officer from Bangawe chop chair e dey na for sabi who e get which kind of problem, and the people dem for Matuke and Koto the same problem wey dey give am na problem for water and problem too for light, wey light e dey cut e calm. Make we hear some of these people dem wey dey talk for we man Gaston inside Matuke and Koto side.
Say make animals they not be where they go to chop woman they attend them. So me woman they walk around compound. So we don't walk now. People they don't leave their coat they now outside. They walk and destroy woman they attend them. So no know whether Dio too like the idea. But say me stray animal they go to walk and destroy woman they attend them. After now the other Dio be don't can give order. Say me walk around. Me they no keep showing me they no keep goat. But now we don't walk to them. Go they destroy them.
The difficulty is to get them from Matuke village. We get problem for water. We don't get water. We don't get good hospital here and school. We beg the government to say me look how it do for we, because water na something where they help we. And now for what dry season, so water now run dry off for the well. So if they find where they give me some tap them for this village, we'll be very happy. We will help we. Then one other thing again there for Matuke village, we don't get place where we bury people. Cemetery. We don't get good hospital. Hospital no day, we get a chemist. There will be for here na peacetime farmers and where they plant the cassava, cocoa, yam. So if the government will help for help the population for here, at least it go be better. Then we get some one problem where we run with small development for here when this sun energy, solar light. But mommy and papa they cry because they don't pay for that bill. They don't afford for that bill. That bill over high. We pay one unit for 225. Where they need to meet up or pay the bill. The difficulties that we get them for here. So I beg government to say me try for look for that sun energy. And we don't tell me say there be NGO. Where they will not say.
Yes, now people them that for inside Matuke and Koto where they talk for we, but sabi say for before DO, some mami be gather courage. He talk for DO say plenty of their chiefs them where they say they be chiefs them for inside their village. Them they di sit down na for outside, they di come na for village one time. Where according to mami, it no be correct. Make we hear this mami as we be the talk for DO.
But talk true. Cotton mission, cotton natigal, cotton up. Now pay models on try for that water. I see talk against it. So the way you see the population, if they come up, you go say cotton get enough population. But we not get this the chieftain way. We need to understand the chieftain. Because you know, take Papa get house, he get 5 rooms. You can give woman better than the woman, and be way one born. When he give Bele, he go ye. He won't come because sometimes she will tell a woman don't born. He don't know cry for picking for house. He don't know cry for mommy. So we need to understand really thing where he did for all your children. We need to understand.
Yes, na mami that way the cry say chiefs the way they vote am or chiefs the way they get for look at them. They know the she done for inside village, then the she done na for town. They come one time. We according to mami, you know correct at all. And the oga kwata for all the chiefs them after Nkunkuma, Gra Tango when I the look at palava for chiefs them. He did for that side so for Bamenda. Yesterday for Bamenda, he be meet up and he take the key for the new office of Bafut Council for that side so for inside Bamenda. And sabi say for Ndongame we be pass after we Gra Tango be get am with other big people them the DO and SDO them plus governor. Gra Tango don't talk say just now they dis also continue for talk say make the people them where they hold gun may they keep their gun there for down. And now which kind of style the way Gra Tango don't give am say the people them they keep gun for ground. He don't talk say any of that boy the way one keep gun where no one call any governor person, he no one call even uniform person. If he keep a gun then he hold white handkerchief and peace plant he the waka for road so that if uniform people they see him they no go attack he. Another way Gra Tango don't bring them up for say may put the fish also drop gun. Now say waiting if they fear may they go meet up their pastor them, may they go meet up their reverend father them, may they meet up even their chiefs them or quarter head them, give them the gun. Then if the one for go join for the DDR center fine. But one thing I say all the people them where they also throw hate say they no one left gun. According to Gra Tango, he say the country a soldier them they go also continue for the fight with that kind of throw head one them as we talk inside Bamenda. But sabi then Dongamen he be the camp after we he go take key for office of Bafut will be the year. Bafut now one of the places where people then don't know pass a day for some time for say place in the kene but Gra Tango be reach a day. No ask me how he manage a reach a day. Now also dey for inside problem for northwest and southwest for that side so for Ekok also na they see am for that photo. Now for border for Ekok side with gendarme people they don't catch some bombs them where they be the enter for inside Cameroon. As we to enter for we here they say the gendarme people them now some person for that side so for Ekok e can Congo side for gendarme people them say waiting say some motor they way e dey carry bomb for enter for inside country. Now for the way gendarme people them one time they go for Ekok as well they go for Ekok direct they be don already sabi who side the bomb them the inside the motorway dey. Now for the way they go charge after they finish charge am according to report for gendarme people them. Now for the way they comot all the bomb them wey e be get for enter for inside Cameroon as we tori enter for inside we here. Place where they call am say Banga just now DO as soon as sabi SSB is also continue with the year just now say Banga he don't get a cases M2 for corona. So DO for that side Christian he don't enter for inside market today. Pa DO he no gonna for go buy chop, he no go for go buy pepper, tomato or okra. He gonna for go talk for mommy then where they make binet for market say they so that corona na true thing say make they know the take and play for sick say corona e don't enter too for Banga and for Sika that one all people them inside Banga too they get for the cover their nose and even cover them up with face mask. On top that one they get for the wash their hand all time. So waka for DO this afternoon for inside Banga it don't surprise plenty bine people them but it don't go now with the peace. DO thought say when he go turn back again inside the marketplace where people them they never hear the commander that time he go use na force. Today he don't work on a nayo he go meet up the bine people them for talk for them say corona e dey and make them no joke with the corona at all, as we it be the talk for people them, Benin people them, just like Okada people that will meet up them for inside market. As we the talk, waka for DO Christian for inside marketplace today, now for sensitize, and for talk say banga, e never she done without corona too, e don't enter for day, so make they respect all the 13 other them, we nkunkuma egiam for say make people themselves they she done and they continue for she done fine. Now, one big problem, PADO, e don't go sensitize, but dirty for inside market for banga, na lock mop. Yes, dirty day, and these Benin people then just now they talk say council they give 100, but dirty for market they know they can't come out. So they talk for DO, say make it try meet up to the mayor. He talk for mayor, so my mayor as well you see koro a day. Even the one they call them say cholera, that one today. So for say make the Benin people then they fine. If they respect commander for the wash hand, cover nose and mop. Dirty for market, that one that's all the one way if he give them sick. Make we hear wait some Benin mommy a talk for we microphone.
So we don't look the things today, they don't pass me. So we even bet say we debate for Dieu, so many talk for mayor. Mayor make people them put they work people there for inside market, ticket master, they make the same people they can't clean all this dirty way there for inside market. So because even with the see the thing the past week. We see and say you dey for your house, you clean, but you come from market. If you can't carry sick from market, instead go gear for picking them for house.
Yes, Namami, that for inside market for Banga, the talk for we just now, the latest update for Corona, according to way John Hopkins University. He give them for we for this number 24 day for February, the tell we 116,627 people. Then the total people then that where they don't get Corona just now inside the whole world, 63,299,560 people. They don't already well. And 2,485,601 people they don't die inside the whole world for Sika Corona, as with John Hopkins University. He give them for we this afternoon. Other country that way they give update concerning Corona for their country. We go take una one time enter for South Africa. For South Africa, this yesterday, South Africa on Saturday, on Tuesday for South Africa. So Sabi for that side, they try for tell we say the total number for that side. It don't be 998 people them for inside South Africa where they don't get the sick since as of Tuesday, and we Sabi say now 49,413 people them we they don't already die for South Africa since when the sick enter for day, and 1,419,459 people they don't already well from the sick since when Corona enter for inside South Africa. And just for Sabi say for places like Nigeria, for Buhari country, so we be get number them the detail say for Tuesday now around 571 people them new case where they confirm them for that side. So for Nigeria on top of this sick for Corona, so the total number it don't climb for up for inside Nigeria just now 153,187 people them where they don't already get the sick, and 129,943 people them where they don't already well. Why 1,874 people them they don't already die since the Corona he enter for inside South Africa. And for Ivory Coast, also go enter for Ivory Coast side just for Sabi say as of Tuesday they get now only 840 people there they sleep on top of hospital beds, and as well Sabi on Tuesday 85 new cases where they confirm for Ivory Coast. We get 328 people them where they don't already well, and no person no be die on Tuesday since Corona enter Ivory Coast. Now 32,124 people them where they don't already get the sick, 31,098 people there, and 96 people where they don't well, and 188 people them where they don't die for that side. So for inside the Ivory Coast concerning Corona country people them. And Sabi say for inside the Douala here, that government nursery school for Bona Musadi where it be locked last it don't open school picking that they don't turn back for school today na number 3 day, but they don't talk say waiting say all picking the way they get for enter for day for inside the school they must to show their test, say their test it dey negative, it means say they don't get Corona for their skin before they enter, and all the teacher them too now the same. Sabi sabi say we wan enter for inside the school, but school people dem dey talk say no, they no want tori house for inside their school. But sabi say na the same tori house wey be turn back for dey for cry their cry time wey they be get problem. Now wey other people they don't open their eye them to on top, the school people them they deny say me tori house e no enter for see as wey they look all the pikin them beds. After all, we meet up bucket the way they don't put am. You fit see am say they don't put bucket and even thing them for wash hand them. When I think that way e no be fair be before this pikin them they be get this sick and water e dey flow all time inside government nursery school for Bona Musadi. So tori house no be fit for enter, but sabi say when tori house it starts work, it must to finish the work, and we finish our own work for our own level. We no add no nothing, na just the two meet up am. Where would the talk for na just now? So pikin that don't turn back for day and teacher them too. After 1 week break, we they be discover corona. Now inside Africa for 21st century, they is also knack referee for field. Now field that for that side, so for Togo we'll get Gomaya where it be the playing Damba with Napsa. Now for this African interclub competition them country people them where it dey so this referee after we finish blown Damba for that side, so for inside Gomaya their field they instead catch this referee, they want knock am before police people then say they come for day again. Now image for African Damba where it is spoiled for people them face say this kind of time they is also knock referee for inside field. Now be shame for Africa, even as so get better country they did knock Damba, but this kind of photo the way they is also come out where they did knock referee after we finish blow Damba. Now shame for we it dey like say we the only turn winner back for back. We know the go for before say you lost match instead for it for green say well the other man pass you carry issue, you instead go meet on a referee say na referee he make am before they win una or whether una draw. That one no mean no nothing, but now what image where Africa it is show up for outside just now. Country people them on top that image we want to say on the see for that side, so for inside fee we consign Gomaya. As well the talk for ya Cameroon, e go sabi who them go play with them for the under-17 African Nations Cup where e go dey come to for Morocco next month. We dey hear say that this afternoon we draw for under-17 African Nations Cup. It go happen and you fit see the different ports. Cameroon dey for port 1 with Morocco and Nigeria. Tanzania dey for port 2 with other country them. We get Tanzania for port 2 with which country them? Senegal and Uganda, and port 3 South Africa, Algeria, Ivory Coast, Congo, Mali and Zambia. So by tomorrow we go sabi the group where Cameroon e go play for this under-17 African Nations Cup, where na Morocco e go the host am. We don't finish story for that chapter just now. We get two newspapers the way they did for inside we house this afternoon. The two newspapers they will get them. Now Eden we get the Guardian Post. Inside the Guardian Post they talk for we this afternoon as we Gratango we plenty sense they like King Solo. He enter for inside Amber them camp for barefoot and Amber them fear. According to Tori where the Guardian Post he put them for day. Inside the same Guardian Post you go read Tori where he consign people there they support Frank Biya where they do already start for show their face even before 2025 vote for get new president for we country. Guardian Post, he get other to read them where you fit for read them. This afternoon, Eden newspaper too a day outside country people them for Eden newspaper. They talk, no be a killing for the social kiki people them, no be na culture, na the president that way me chief conference, he don't talk say for the key people them, no be na country fashion for people them. You go read money Tori too where he consign corona money, where he don't deter minister for sick people and even communication delegate for inside 2 level. It means say they fight on top this money according to Eden newspaper. Inside Eden too, you go read Toriwe consign Karim Khan, the new big man for International Criminal Court, where they just put it for day. Plenty to read a day where if you read them for Eden newspaper. Now the case that for the only case we'll get for person where don't lost Njingum Perry Mumbai where don't disappear just now. Oga Memo Jeremiah it beg any man where you don't see this picking Perry Mumbai for any corner. 677 200 820 677 665 394. Number them for use am call on Oga Memo for telly you don't see am, or if you take the picking go for any police gendarme station where they for corner. If you know fit, oh boy, take it, bring it for a Kino Story House. There's a plenty dash. It wait you. Now the tori them that will bring am for na this afternoon, country people them. We go meet up una for morning time for Thursday. If the person will make our day this afternoon agree, I mean if Papa God agree, then I take tomorrow. Thank you plenty. Innocent Abega, Zephyrin Gondi, Malice and Nadine. We all them they be parts for tori for this afternoon. Now for tomorrow. Una hold am tight.